So this is an angle head. A angle head is being used for the corner, so you put mud through and kind of wipe at the same time both corner. The problem with this one, it needs to be aligned and properly set in the right way. The problem we had with this one, there was a lot of mud in the opening here, so we did clean it up. I take off the top and the bottom nose. There's a screw here on Allen key, you take it off the top and bottom nose. The top and bottom nose is very important to visualize, to see that, okay? The thickness on the nose and the one keeps, is the thickness of the nose, it keeps the blade and the wings nice and tight. If there's a weak nose, you will have no holding here, so everything will be shaking. So a good way to check is make sure they have a good thickness. So we did this and we did change it both of them. First problem happened, you usually get a cut off right here, and that's the beginning, and then it goes up higher. You change two of those before you change one of these. Top blade, they don't need to be replaced, they're carbine, so the only way you break a carbine if you drop it on the floor, but they don't need to be replaced, only need to be adjusted with the screw behind. The rule of thumb is 1 full turn of Allen key, that will give you 1 hit, and then if the blades are worn, you lift it up a little bit more. When I adjust it to this part here, what we want to see is the blade is above the nose. If the blade is below the nose, there's no wiping. So put my finger and it's wiping. So I'm gonna squeeze it and you can see my finger catches on something. So from here to here, and here is 1 full turn Allen key to give it the depth. And same thing from here, the Allen key, here, and wiping situation on both sides. So I can wipe on this side and this side. So this is a rule of thumb.
So if you have a customer, Giuseppe, that is coming to you and he says that there is a mud left on the outer edges of his corners, what would you look into?
So I would look into, definitely could be like a hedge here, could be this blade is higher than this side, so they leave a hedge. The blade at the bottom could be worn, so if the blade is all the way to the bottom, there's no wiping. So again, too much mud, so again, the blade is gonna be higher. It could be the wheels maybe not rolling well and give them a hedge, or same on this side.
And now finally, what would you, besides the thorough cleaning, you would lubricate this after each use, dry it, lubricate it, and also how often would you take it to a guy like yourself to be checked and to be maintained?
So every 6 months to a year, definitely a maintenance. You definitely have to change your side blade and your wheel, definitely. Lubrication, you want to use the VW4 is okay because it's all metal on metal. Avoid to use it on the rubber because it tends to swell. So fluid filler will be the best solution. Try to lubricate inside here and make sure it has a nice smooth motion. And the blades don't have to be lubricated, just the motion and all inside where the wings span go.
Awesome. Thank you very much.